Guys, this is a nice fun one. So that's a Jolly Rancher edible straw. Okay, because right now straws are everything in bartending. Because everyone's trying to switch to paper straw so we no longer get turtles, kill turtles and all these other animals with our waste. So the Jolly Rancher straw is excellent. So we melted the Jolly Ranchers. Notice what she does now. Okay, now she begins to roll that around a skewer. And that's how we can create the straw. So this mat that we're rolling that on is something we got from Amazon. One of those, what you call it, like baking mats or something. I don't know. It got some kind of weird name. Okay, so you roll it up. You allow it to harden. You pull the stick out. You allow it to harden, and it turns into a straw. So now watch this. We make a little quick drink, a little bit of vodka. Okay, hit it with a little bit of mixer, and then you stick your straw in and do it. It does work. You can actually suck it out. It's cool, it's fun, it's easy.